Revolutionizing Manufacturing, Additive Manufacturing and Robotics. Greetings, fellow enthusiasts of industrial advancements. In this article, we will explore two groundbreaking technologies that are revolutionizing the manufacturing sector: additive manufacturing and robotics. These innovations have the potential to transform traditional manufacturing processes, paving the way for increased efficiency, customization, and automation. Join me as we delve into the world of additive manufacturing and robotics and discover how they are shaping the future of manufacturing. Additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a disruptive technology that enables the production of complex and customized objects through layer-by-layer material deposition. Traditional manufacturing processes often involve subtractive methods, where excess material is removed to create the desired shape. In contrast, additive manufacturing allows the creation of intricate designs by adding material layer by layer, resulting in reduced waste and increased design flexibility. This technology has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing by enabling rapid prototyping, on-demand production, and the ability to create complex geometries that were previously impossible or economically unfeasible. From aerospace and automotive industries to healthcare and consumer goods, additive manufacturing is reshaping the way products are designed and produced. Robotics. Robotics has long been a part of the manufacturing industry, but recent advancements in technology have led to significant improvements in automation and efficiency. Industrial robots are now capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from assembly and welding to material handling and quality control. These robots can operate with precision, speed, and consistency, leading to improved productivity and reduced human error. Collaborative robots, or cobots, have also emerged, capable of working alongside human operators, enhancing safety and flexibility in manufacturing processes. With the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning, robots are becoming more intelligent, adaptable, and capable of autonomous decision-making. Robotics is transforming the manufacturing landscape by optimizing operations, reducing costs, and increasing overall productivity. Advantages and challenges. Both additive manufacturing and robotics bring numerous advantages to the manufacturing sector. Additive manufacturing offers the ability to create complex designs, reduce waste, and enable customization on a scale never seen before. It also reduces lead times and allows for on-demand production, eliminating the need for large inventories. Robotics, on the other hand, enhances efficiency, accuracy, and consistency in manufacturing processes. It can handle repetitive tasks, work in hazardous environments, and increase overall productivity. However, challenges remain. Additive manufacturing faces limitations in terms of material selection, size scalability, and production speed. Robotics must overcome concerns about job displacement, integration complexities, and the need for specialized training. Addressing these challenges requires continuous research, development, and collaboration within the manufacturing industry. Impact on traditional manufacturing. The introduction of additive manufacturing and robotics is disrupting traditional manufacturing processes in significant ways. Additive manufacturing reduces the reliance on traditional manufacturing methods, allowing for decentralized production and customization. It enables the creation of prototypes and small batches with minimal setup costs, opening doors for innovation and entrepreneurship. Robotics, on the other hand, streamlines production lines, reduces labor costs, and improves overall efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, robots free up human workers to focus on higher-value activities, such as design, analysis, and quality control. The integration of these technologies leads to leaner, more agile manufacturing processes that are capable of responding quickly to changing market demands. Future possibilities. The future of manufacturing holds exciting possibilities as additive manufacturing and robotics continue to evolve. Additive manufacturing is expected to expand its material capabilities, enabling the production of functional end-use parts across various industries. It may also witness advancements in multi-material printing, further enhancing design possibilities. Robotics will become more intelligent, with increased autonomy and adaptability, allowing for more complex tasks and collaboration with humans. The combination of additive manufacturing and robotics may lead to the development of fully autonomous factories, where customized products are produced on demand with minimal human intervention. Ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks for your attentions.